Crypto and blockchain technology has been one of the biggest revolutions in the whole informational era. So in this video, we'll actually talk about 4 cryptos and blockchains that are still revolutionizing and that are still putting out amazing upgrades. So let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get started with this topic. Like I said, we will talk about 4 different cryptocurrencies that also have their own blockchain, which have revolutionized the way we know crypto and that are actually still revolutionizing today. So we'll talk about Ethereum, Polygon, we'll talk about BNB, and we will talk about Cardano. I will tell you a little bit of the updates coming up and some of the amazing things that they have actually done. And the first cryptocurrency, which is actually the second biggest right now, is Ethereum. So let's get into that. So Ethereum right now is the second biggest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap, second only to Bitcoin. But apart from that, Ethereum is actually a network. So decentralized applications are built on that. And in that, Ethereum is by far the biggest, with over $55 billion locked up in decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. And with that, it's still the absolute biggest network in the entire crypto sphere, and a lot of new projects, a lot of new great applications are building for Ethereum. Apart from that, Ethereum also had one of the biggest upgrades a network or a cryptocurrency has ever had, as last year with the transition to Ethereum 2.0, Ethereum actually went from a proof of work blockchain to a proof of stake blockchain, which has never been done, but it's considered a great move as it is better for the environment and better for sustainability, which is quite a big question in crypto. Apart from that, a lot of the biggest networks that are actually growing right now are actually layer 2 networks of Ethereum. So they are basically built on Ethereum. They are a decentralized application running on Ethereum, a different blockchain running on Ethereum. But apart from that, they are making use of Ethereum's proof of stake network and their security, which actually allows Ethereum to grow even better with better accessibility, scalability, and speed. So Ethereum is still working very hard, and soon there are some big upgrades coming out that could make cheaper transactions, extra security, better user experience, and future proofing. Now the next project we'll talk about is Polygon. Polygon is also one of the biggest networks with their Matic coin. It's also a layer 2 blockchain to Ethereum, but Polygon is also doing its own thing. Like for example, recently they released a Polygon ZK EVM, which already has $30 million of total value locked on it. And apart from that, they also have a software developer kit, which actually allows you to easily build decentralized applications on Polygon on the Ethereum network. And apart from that, it is one of the biggest proof of stake networks out there. Now, very recently, they've also announced Polygon 2.0, which basically revitalizes and innovates the entire protocol architecture, making transactions probably quicker, and it just in general making it a better network to use for the users, but also for the developers. So the development that Polygon has is amazing, and they're still launching amazing products right now. Definitely a crypto to watch for the future. Apart from that, Cardano is also one of the hottest blockchains right now. So Cardano is the third cryptocurrency. Well, the token is actually called ADA, but the network, the blockchain behind it, is called Cardano. And Cardano is one of the only networks, as you can see right here, that over the last 6 months has grown exponentially. So with Ethereum, we were talking about the total value locked on the network. Cardano is a totally separate network, other than, for example, Polygon, which is actually built on Ethereum. But with Cardano, what we've seen is that over the last 6 months, the total value locked, so the money actually locked up on the network, has grown from $54 million, which is already a lot, to where it is right now at around $162, which is more than $100 million increase over the last 6 months. And apart from that, Cardano also has some of the most unique decentralized applications building on their network, as you can see right here, with some amazing stablecoins and DeFi solutions. So Cardano is definitely a blockchain to watch as well. Now the BNB Smart Chain, or the BSC chain, is actually third right now in terms of total value locked. It's the main chain of the BNB crypto, the main crypto of Binance, the biggest exchange in the world, which obviously is already a huge key selling point of the BNB Smart Chain, but also of the BNB token, and already a reason why you should watch that. But apart from that, like I said, they almost have $5 billion also locked up on their chain. It's one of the fastest growing chains out there. It has grown very fast over the last 4 or 5 years. And apart from that, they're one of the blockchains that releases the most updates. So for example, at the half of July, we actually had this hard fork Luban upgrade announcement, but they have these upgrades a lot. And for example, what this hard fork did, it was a relatively minor upgrade, but it did improve the scalability and the security in general of the BNB smart chain. So this is definitely one to watch as well. But for now, we've reached the end of this video. We talked about 4 amazing networks and their cryptocurrencies in Ethereum, Polygon, Cardano, and BNB. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.